Hi guys, this is Lovely.
I'm Rickie Rodriguez.
Hi, I'm Carmel.
Hello, I'm Jrelle Mae Metante.
Ethan Ventor Chu Buzon.
Hi, my name is Dahna Villapaz.
Hi, I am Camille Angelica Canlas.
Hello, I am Tracy. Maybe some of you have seen posters, ads, and the like carrying exhortations go green. But what does it mean to go green? It takes a variety of forms, but essentially, going green is being mindful and making economic choices that aren't harmful to Earth. When people say go green, they are practicing environmental awareness. So what is environmental awareness? So it is being aware of the natural environment and making choices that benefit rather than hurt the Earth.
Environmental awareness is to understand the fragility of our environment and the importance of its protection. Promoting environmental awareness is an easy way to become an environmental steward and participate in creating a brighter future for our children.
So one of the environmental problems or issues that we are facing right now is pollution, where there are three major parts of this: air pollution, land pollution, and water pollution. First, air pollution. Air pollution causes serious health problems and threatens the natural environment. Car emissions, chemicals from factories, dust, smokes or smogs are one of the major causes of air pollution in cities. Second, land pollution. It is where typically caused by industrial activity, agricultural chemicals, improper ways of disposal, and other toxins making the land contaminated or polluted. Third, water pollution. The various causes of these are industrial waste, sewage and wastewater, burning of fossil fuels, marine dumping, accidental oil leakage, and more. Heavy metals undisposed of and industrial waste can accumulate in lakes and rivers, proving that this is harmful to both humans and animals.
So we have climate change. Climate change is a change in the pattern of weather and related changes in oceans, land surfaces, and ice sheets, occurring over timescales of decades or longer. Climate change can have a range of impacts on physical, mental, and environmental health. For environmental impacts, ice is melting worldwide, especially at the Earth's pole. Much of this melting ice contributes to sea level rise. Rising temperatures are affecting wildlife and their habitats. As temperatures change, many species are on the move. Precipitation, or rain and snowfall, has increased across the globe on average. So climate change is expected to threaten food production and certain aspects of food quality, as well as food prices and distribution of systems. Now, for the human impacts, warmer average temperatures will lead to hotter days and more frequent and longer heat waves, which results to more heat-related deaths. Warmer temperatures and shifting weather patterns can worsen air quality, which can lead to asthma attacks and other respiratory and cardiovascular health effects. Changes in temperature, precipitation, and extreme events increases the geographic range of diseases spread by vectors. And then, climate change will potentially lead to both higher pollen concentrations and longer pollen seasons, causing more people to suffer more health effects from pollen and other allergens. Exposure to a variety of pathogens in water and food causes diarrheal diseases. And for the following disasters, mental health problems increase, both among people with no history of mental illness and those at risk, a phenomenon known as common reactions to abnormal events.
The other environmental issue problem is illegal mining. Illegal mining is a mining activity is undertaken with a state permission, in particular in absence of land rights, mining licenses, and exploration or mining transportation permits. The impact of that can cause erosion, sinkhole, contamination of soil, loss of biodiversity, groundwater, and surface water by the chemical emitted in the mining processes. The next one is deforestation. Deforestation refers to decreased forest areas around the world that are lost for other purposes, such as agricultural croplands, mining activities, and urbanization. This greatly accelerated by human activities in 1960s. Deforestation has been negatively affecting natural ecosystem, biodiversity, and the climate.
Environmental problems are also deforestation and biodiversity loss. Deforestation is a removal of forest or stand of trees from land which is converted to a non-forest use. Biodiversity loss includes the extinction of species worldwide as well as local reduction or loss of species in certain habitat resulting in a loss of biological diversity.
The planet is currently facing an increased number of environmental challenges, which includes climate change, global warming, drought, water scarcity, floods, and pollution that damages to all flowers and animals, and which includes all marine and wildlife in our environment. I'm pretty sure that everyone already had mentioned, but children as early as possible should be aware of the environmental issues we're facing, which is why schools must lead this to them. Environmental awareness should be part of the curriculum in all schools. This will encourage young people to engage in their environment to protect it, and can help communities become more environmental aware by introducing the 3 R's, which are the reduce waste, reuse resources, and recycle materials. Organize tree planting days at school and tell them why trees are important to the environment, and also encouraging students or children to switch off all appliances and lights when not in use. Ensure taps are closed properly after you have used them, and use water sparingly, and having as the teacher as the good examples of it. Schools should encourage parents to share their environmental knowledge to their kids as well at home. It will be a good idea to let the children practice at home doing small tasks like picking up their trash and throwing the garbage, or teaching them to turn off the faucet when they are brushing their teeth or washing their hands with soap and not let water run down, or shut off the light when they are done using them. This will help them be more knowledgeable of the environmental issues.
Given our environmental issues such as pollution, illegal logging and mining, deforestation, wildlife extinction, climate change, dynamite fishing, landslides, coastal erosion, and global warming, which is very evident in our lives today, the things we should do are conserve our biodiversity, rehabilitate our ecosystems, control population growth and human resources development, inducing growth in rural areas, promote environmental education, strengthen citizens' participation, and promoting small to medium-sized enterprises and sustainable agricultural and forestry practices.